Right guys, we're back on the 50p coin hunt. Now today's bag, it's an ordered in bag and it's come from Dog Kennel Lane, Oldbury. I thought that was a wind up at first, but believe it or not, that's a post office in West Midlands. Let's get straight in. Right, push these off a bit. Let's do this. So what we after, ideally, Kew Gardens or Judo. So we're straight into a low mintage Britannia 2008. That's the only Britannia we'll be looking for. Shield design, we'll be looking for 2017 for low mintage. And also we'll be looking for 2009, 10, 11, 16, 18 and 21 for NIFC years. There's a diversity from 2020. So NIFC is not intended for circulation. So in theory you shouldn't find any. However, they were still minted in year sets. So if you do find one, it means it's been bust out the set and spent at the shop. That means you're extremely lucky as well. They are out there. The last hunt we did, when we picked the temp ends up, after I went back through everything, we were actually temp ends up. So we weren't pawned off for that instead of a 50. Right, there's a Scouts from 2007. Relatively common one that. All the common stuff anywhere in the middle. Star pulls bottom row. We've got another bust. Still early doors though. $2016. Is this a duck? Mrs. Tiggy Winkle. Do keep all the 2016 Potters. That one wasn't in the best condition, so we'll assess at the end. This will be a battle of Hastings, low tier keeper. Definitely no star pull low. Looks like we've got a Roger Bannister coming up, 4 minute mile. And Sherlock Holmes, 2019. $2011s is what we want ideally. $2017. Pointy bottom, no 50p, low mintage shield. We'll take that. 1.8 million. Best pull up to now. There we go, there's a Queen's Jubilee. We'll take that. We're not picking many of them Jubilees up at all. God, look at the state of that Paddington at St Paul's. Absolutely manky. There's a pride coin, low tier keeper for now. We are picking quite a few of them up. Hopefully we'll get the mintage figures back into the year. $2016 this time. Peter Rabbit. It's a low tier keeper. We know which one we want though. Sherlock Holmes 2019. Second one of that one. We've got a Glasgow Commonwealth. Keep going. Another 2016 Peter Rabbit. Extra clean that as well. Let's check see if that's a boot upgrade. To be honest, all the 50p's just about in the book are in really good condition. Nothing doing. There's a Jeremy Fisher from 2017. Just under 10 million of that one. Come on, the Olympics. Nothing doing. There's a Paddington at the Tower. We had one of them. Nope. First one. Pretty clean that as well. (2017) Benjamin Bunny, highest minted commemorative in circulation. Keep going. Is it gonna happen? We need a bit more than a 2017 Shield and a Jubilee for a result. (2016) This time Peter Rabbit again. We'll take it. Clean as well. There's a Brexit coin. We had one of them. I thought we did. It must have been the last hunt. Just filming this back to back. Nothing doing. Starting to come towards the end now. Leaving it late. It ain't over to the last bag. Benjamin Bunny. Rotation's fine. Absolutely manky that. Three bags to go. (2017) There's another Jeremy Fisher, second one of that one. There's a dictionary, super high the mintage on that. And another 2016 Peter Rabbit. That's about 4 now, isn't it? 2, 3, 4. Right, last bag time. Last bag to save the hunt. There's a diversity. Second one of that one. Tail of Peter Rabbit. And that's our whack. So pretty disappointing this time. And we've got some low tier keepers. 2016 Peter Rabbit. Best pulls of the hunt. 2017 Shield and Queen's Jubilee. So the hunt goes on. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.